express emotion and tell stories. It spans countless styles and traditions, reflecting culture, heritage, and personal creativity. Let's all welcome the Grade 12 IT3!
Thank you so much.